let's just take a look at what this module time report is. So the module is located in this folder. There's a thing called time reporter, as you can see here. Oh no, I am on the wrong folder. Oh, no, I'm in the right folder. Okay, never mind. This is the time reporter code. All right. So as you can see here, we just used a function called time now. So let's just look for it. Control find time now. Okay, right here. So if the message of the message is called time now, self.bot.send a message with this time format. Okay, so with this function, you can tell that this is actually the send message function. So we can do a test with this functionality. Look at here, it's a handler. So everything that you input in the room would go through this handler, and if it matches these particular conditions, it would give you a particular response. So let's just try it. Okay, it says let's just copy this thing. If message if the message starts with MikoBot or Miko test in this condition, is this Miko test? Miko test. Let me check it. Miko test. It's a small m. Like this. If the message starts with a Miko test, then I want to send a send a message, sorry. What would the message be? This one right here. We're just going to copy this. The message is going to be, we're going to say this. Hi, I am MikoBot. Like that. And then save. So if you change the module right here, you can re-upload it without having to restart this the command prompt. So what you do is write reload module, reload with the underscore module. What is it called? Time reporter. And it says success. It means it runs already. So we can try calling MikoBot right now. At MikoBot, Miko test. Let's try it. Hi, I am a MikoBot. So it's working perfectly. But the big problem here is if you do this, you're going to edit someone else's code. You want to edit your own code. So it's a good idea to have your own module instead of editing someone else's module. So let me tell you how it's done. First, you want to create another module right here. It's called, so we're going to create another module and call it Miko. And just copy time reporter for now. Copy time reporter and then call it Miko. Okay, so Miko is a module, and there are certain things that you need to change about this MikoBot. First, you need to go to a init file, edit notepad, and then change this time reporter to Miko. Save it, close it, then go to time reporter, change this name to Miko. And then open it up. Okay, basically anything that goes here that has time reporter in it must be changed to Miko. So let's just copy paste, no, control find, replace anything with time reporter and replace it with Miko. Replace all. That's a simple way to do it. Okay, and then after replacing everything, you probably don't want these commands. You probably don't want a few commands right here because they could, like, I have a feeling that they could send the message twice. But let's not worry about this. Stop repeating tasks. I just delete a couple of these, except for the handler. Leave the handler. Okay, let's just leave the first 4, and then for handler, we're going to do this. I'm going to write if message type message. Wait. If if someone uses a message, okay, it's gonna read it and see if it's time report. So let's just change this to something like greeting. And then for this one, the function is right here. Actually, let's just delete this. Let's just delete this because this is really confusing. Okay, wait. Message.type.text. Okay, good. Okay, let's just delete this. So if the message starts with Miko test, please you send this message. And then you can also do another thing here called you can add so many if commands. Like if you read something and it says greeting, then you can write another command, say I didn't use greeting. I actually used another one called what would you say? Let's just make a new command. Greeting. Okay. Greeting in Japanese greeting. So let's just type in Japanese actually. So it's like, oh, konnichiwa, konnichiwa, like that. And I think it's okay if we do this Japanese greeting to make it look like one command. Okay, actually just call it Japanese since we're at it. Konnichiwa. Okay, so now we have 2 commands right here, and I want to also delete my command in time reporter, so let's open that as well. So what did we do? Time reporter. Hi, I'm Miko, but I want to delete this one. Okay, just save it, and then so let's see if this bot works. So what you do is you reload module. Sorry, Japanese. Reload module. Time reporter, reload module Miko. Oh, it failed. Why did it fail? Let me try again. Reload module Miko. Oh, because I didn't add this Miko bot to my bot yet. So we haven't done that yet. What we need to do is go to bot, which is located right here. We need to add Miko, the module, to our bot. So we go to, let me see. There's a, oops, what did I do? Control F. Okay. We're looking for something called modules. Okay, right here, let me see if this, okay, so you can see modules to load right here. It has time reporter, admin, config, and music. So we're just going to add a new module called Miko. Now that it's added, it's probably a good idea to just start over right now. Oh, sorry, I'm actually recording. So, wait, did I close it? Yes, I did. So let's just reopen this main. Okay, it's running right now. So let's just go and test it out. Test MikoBot. I am MikoBot. Okay, Japanese. Okay, so it works exactly the way it's intended to. Okay. Actually, you're supposed to do something called load module, but unfortunately, it didn't ask for me to load. So if you want to do the original process, you write load module Miko, and doing that would say, okay, it already exists because we already loaded it. Okay, so there's no problem with that. So after you load it, you will be able to use the module inside your code. So you want to know exactly what kind of functions you're capable of using apart from bot send, right? So let me show you all the codes that are available. It's in bot. So everything is written right here in the definitions. So you have do quit, do login, do status, do reset, do resume, do join. These are all the functions. And the functions I use right here is, let me check. What about do, send. Okay, so you have this one right here. DM, reply. Wait, where's the send button? Send function. Send, right here. So these are all the functions that you can use. Like here, you can use send. Remember that there's a self. The self is, you can omit that, but you need a connection and you need a message. So you just write a connection parameter and then a message string behind it. Okay? And you have the action, which I used before, as you saw me in my Omikuji. And you can actually send URL, which is to append an image, if you like. And you can actually DM the bot with the DM. So, that's basically, we finished the tutorial. So, do you have any questions for me? Like, anything else you need to know, you want to know?